So hello everyone, I hope you must be fine. So in our today's class we will be discussing different operations that we can do using fractions. So here are the four different operations that we will be seeing in the fractions. The first one is called addition. So we will be practicing them one by one. So first of all we'll be discussing addition. After that we'll be working on the subtraction. So after the subtraction, we will be working on the third operation, that's multiplication. And the fourth operation that we'll be discussing, that is division. So we will be working on these four operations one by one. Alright? Addition, subtraction, multiplication, and the division. So now I'm gonna just upload a few questions over here, and then I will show you how we can solve those questions. The first operation we'll be doing, that's addition. Okay, we will be working on the other operations one by one. So first of all, it's time to cover the addition over here. So here we have the very first question, that is 1/4 plus 1/2. As you can see, these are the denominators. So the denominators are different, right? For the first fraction, that is 1/4, and the second fraction, that is 1/2. So the denominators are different. So the first thing that we need to make the denominator common, right? So for that, what I will do, I will find out the least common multiple of the 4 and the 2. So I know I can easily convert this 2 into 4, right? And how can I do it? By simply multiplying that number with the 2 on both sides. So I'm going to do multiply by 2 in the denominator and multiply by 2 into the numerator. So by this way I will get 1/4 plus 2/4, right? So I'm going to just write it down over here. 1/4 plus 2/4. As you can see now, the denominator is common, right? So right after that, what we can do is, I'm just going to simply take this 4 common, 1 plus 2. So this is how the fraction addition is done. It will be converted into 3/4. That is going to be our answer for the first question. Similarly, we can solve the second question. As you can see, that is 3/4 plus 3/8, right? So in order to make the denominator common, I'm going to follow the same exact process. I'm going to multiply both numerator and the denominator with 2. It's going to be equivalent to 6/8, because 4 times 2 is 8, right? Divided by 3/8, right? So by this way, I'm going to get 8, 6 plus 3, right? That's going to be equivalent to 9/8. So that's going to be the answer for this one, right, beta? So similarly, if I move to the question number 3 over here, for this one I need to make the denominator common as well. But for that, I need to know what is going to be the least common multiple for both this 4 and this 6. So for the 4 and 6, the LCM that I will get, that's straight away equivalent to 12, right? I will make another topic in which I will explain about how to find out the LCMs and the GCF, okay? I'm going to upload after completing all those 4 operational fractions. So 2/4 plus 5/6. For that, what I can do, I'm just going to simply write 2/4 plus 5/6 over here. And now I'll be multiplying that number to make the denominator common. So for that one, I have to multiply both sides with the 3. And for the other one, I have to multiply both the numerator and the denominator with the 2. So by this way, I will get 2 times 3 is 6, right? And 4 times 3 is equivalent to 12. Plus 5 times 2 is 10. Over 6 times 2, that's equivalent to 12. So I got the same denominator, right? A common denominator. After that, I'm just going to simply process my operation. That's going to be like equivalent to 16/12. And after that, we can easily go ahead and simplify it as well, right? For the simplification, I will explain some other day. So these are the first 3 questions that I've solved. I hope you understood them. Now I'm going to move towards the other 3 questions. And if you want to solve those questions by yourself, you can just pause the video and try these 3 questions by yourself as well, okay? Question number 4, question number 5, and the question number 6. You can pause the video right over here. Now we'll be moving toward the question number 4 real quick. That's 3/6 plus 1/3. I can easily do it by converting this 3 into 6 as well. So I'm going to multiply both sides with the 2. So 3/6 plus 2/6, that's going to be equivalent to 6, 3 plus 2, right? which is eventually going to give me 5 over 6 as my answer. That's very simple operations. Alright, so for the question number 5, I'm going to apply the same exact process. I have 8 over 3 plus 4 over 5, right? So 8 over 3 plus 4 over 5, I need to do the same exact operation. I'm going to multiply that with the, because for the, okay, first of all, let's just see what is the LCM of 3 and 5, right? The LCM, which is called least common multiple for 3 and 5, that can be found out as like, 6, 9, 12 and 15. These are the multiples of the 3, right? Similarly, I will be writing down the multiple of 5 as well. That is 10, 15, 20. So I already got 15 over here. That's the least common, right? Least common multiple over here. So in order to get that, what I need to do is that I will multiply that value with the 5 on both sides, and with the 5 I'm going to multiply 3 on both sides, right? So by this way I will get 8 times 5 is 40 divided by 3 times 5 is 15 plus 4 times 3 is 12 and 5 times 3 is 50. So I got the common denominator already. 40 plus 12 is going to be equivalent to 52 over 15. So that's going to be my answer for this one. Alright, so now I'm going to move towards the last question. That's question number 6. That's 2 over 5 plus 5 over 10. In order to solve this one, what I need to do is that I have to find out the common denominator as well. So for this one I will multiply it with both the values, like numerator and denominator, with the 2. So I'm going to get 4 over 10 plus 5 over 10. So 10 will be common down there, plus 4 plus 5, that's 9 divided by 10. So this is all about adding fractions. I hope you understood that lesson very well. So these are all the questions. You can even pause it over here and look at all those questions one by one. So I hope you understood it. So today we discussed the addition. In our next class we'll be discussing the subtraction. For now I will be leaving. Hope to see you next time. If you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel, I will be requesting you to please subscribe it. Thank you so much. Bye.